Having a bar of soap under your sheets sounds weird, but it has helpful medical benefits. Numerous people are turning to natural and homemade remedies as possible treatments for their ailments and health issues, as they are highly effective and do not cause any of the harsh side effects of conventional medicines. Moreover, they are much cheaper, completely safe, and easy to use. Have you ever heard of the restless leg syndrome? This common medical condition affects about 50% of the population, and it is characterized by leg cramps during the night. It is actually a neurological disorder that causes discomfort in the leg while resting, and is also known as Charlie's horses. The pain is additionally aggravated if you move the leg while cramping. These cramps are most commonly a result of dehydration, mineral and vitamin deficiencies, and excessive exercise. Yet, it can also be caused by pregnancy, alcohol abuse, diabetes, and kidney failure. Apparently, placing a bar of soap under the sheets by sleeping can relieve this disorder. Over 42% of people who suffer from this condition report positive effects after trying this trick, and doctors believe that the beneficial effect is due to the magnesium in the soap. Due to its soothing and calming properties, Dr. Oz suggests that lavender soap is the best option. Choose all-natural, essential oil-based soap. People who have tried this hack claim that it is highly effective. Here are some experiences shared by people on Steady Health. I herniated a disc in my lower back in 1997. It was so bad that it caused nerve damage. I have suffered tremendous pain in my lower back and right leg for 11 years now. I was told to put a bar of soap under my sheets to help alleviate the pain. I tried it, and it actually worked. I have not been able to sleep in my bed for almost 10 years. I've slept in a recliner all of that time. It has been my third day with the bar soap between my sheets, and I actually awoke this morning with no pain whatsoever. I would recommend trying it. I know it sounds kooky, but so far so good. Hope this helps, wrote one man. Another girl commented, when my mother used soap to relieve pain, and also leg cramps, I thought she might be fooling herself. Now, I have several bars in bed with me each night, placing them wherever the pain appears from feet to head. It works for me, and for my husband, and we also use any type of soap. It does not take away the reason for the pain, but it does allow me to get to sleep when the pain interferes. It is very much worth the try. So, why don't you try it tonight?